Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying the session and getting signal into the compressor. Create or open the Studio One song at the desired sample rate, then insert an audio or instrument track and route its output to the main bus. Next, load the compressor in the track's insert slot and select a preset that approximates the sound you want. Once done, play back a representative section so you can hear input dynamics clearly. This gives you material to adjust threshold, ratio, and attack meaningfully. Now you shape how the compressor reacts. Lower the threshold until the gain reduction meter shows action on louder passages. This determines what gets compressed. Then choose a ratio, use 1:4, 1 for transparent control, higher if you need obvious limiting. Next, set attack fast enough to tame peaks, but not so fast that you kill life. Set release so gain reduction breathes with the music. Make small adjustments while looping material, because attack and release interact with program material and affect tone. Finish by balancing level and blending compression into the mix. Increase makeup gain to restore perceived loudness, and use the mix knob or a /B bypass to compare processed versus dry sound. For clarity, engage the compressor's sidechain high-pass filter or route an external key to prevent low-frequency pumping. If you hear distortion, clicking, or unnatural pumping, make sure not to overcompress. Reduce the ratio, slow the attack slightly, or enable auto-release if available. Finally, trust your ears and check in the full mix context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.